Good evening! It's another chilly night dito sa Sydney. It's currently 6 p.m. and it's a Saturday night. Ito nga, malamig. Tingnan nyo, naka-scarf pa ako and puffer jacket. Pero, lalabas tayo ngayon, maggagala tayo at isasama ko kayo sa diskohan. Kaya dyan lang kayo at enjoy natin ang Saturday night. Ayan, so nandito na tayo sa loob ng Quest HQ, Roti Hill. At nandito na ang mga kababayan natin. Naghihintay ng diskohan. At itong nasa bandroom kami. Andito pa yung name ko. Ayun. Kasi dati tumugtog na kami dito. Back in 2015. Yan. Ang tagal na, di ba? 10 years na. And we're back here in West HQ, Roti Hill, after 10 years. You're setting up for tonight's show.
Madilim na.
Oo nga eh. Madilim. Yan, sabi ko nga after 10 years, doon pa lang tayo nakabalik dito. So, ito ang new look ng West HQ. O, diba? Ang daming restaurants. Very nice restaurants around. Nice. New Town Thai restaurant. Wow, nice. Ang dami tao, puro ano. Puro Pinoy, puro Noipi. Ready na silang mag-dance. Ayan, 9:30 pala tayo mag-uumpisa ngayon. So, yep. Meron ditong dessert. Ang gelatissimo, ang napakasarap na gelato ice cream. Ayan, ang dami rin na dessert na. Tapos na silang mag-dinner. Oh, yum. It's Saturday night, kaya maraming family ang nakalabas para dinner sa labas. Ayan. Wow, nice. Ayan. Anong dito? More chairs and tables. Ayan. Oh, yummy. Daming kainan dito. Grabe, ang sasarap lahat, oh. Oh, steak and oysters. Oh, nice. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Fresh na fresh. Wow naman. Ang sarap ng lobster. My favorite. Ayan, oh. Kahit saan may queue. Grabe. Sabagay, it's dinner time. It's 7:30 at the moment. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Oh, parang masarap dito. Grabe. Tingnan mo naman. Fresh ang meats. Wow naman. Diyos ko, tingnan nyo naman. Chicken. Ang dami talagang tao dito. Here in West HQ. Dito lang yan sa Roti Hill, guys. O, diba? Mayroong pizza rito. Salad. Ang sarap, oh. Tingnan nyo naman. Ano yun? Wood fart? Parang wood fart pizza yun, ah. Wow, nice. Naman. Ayan, dito lang ang bar, inuman. Ayan, inuman na. At yes, dito ang At doon lang sa malapit ang stage kung saan ang M7 band ay tutugtog para sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino. Ayan ang stage namin for tonight. Ayan. Okay. Kuya.
Hello.
Busy? Si Professor? Ayan. Ano tayo?
Yung sequence pa lang ito.
Waiting for the time. Waiting for the sound check. Busy-busyhan. Oy. And the rest of the guys, nagpapalit na ng outfitan. Kuya, hindi ka ba cold? You're not feeling cold? Kuyas are getting ready.
But it's cold.
Now with their M7 shirts. Are you guys ready?
No.
Ay, hindi pa sila ready. Kasi walang sagot eh. Silipin natin sila. Ayun, silipin natin. Anong ginagawa nila? Ayun. Oras na, hindi pa kami nagka-sound check. 15 minutes na lang. Mukhang, ano na to, diretso ng sound check and first set na. Yay!
But don't forget to say, get you home and ain't nobody but me.
Done first set. At, yeah, nag-enjoy ang mga peeps. And kami rin, nag-enjoy. Did you enjoy?
Oh, nag-enjoy yung lalamunan.
Nag-enjoy lalamunan mo?
Lalamunan ko.
Did you enjoy, Kuya? Where are you?
Okay, alright.
Yes.
We're live. Are we live?
Yes. We love
Rochu.
we love the crowd here in West HQ. Hoy, dalawa pang set, no? Save your energy. So, yeah. After 10 years, we're back here. Actually, ako lang. Yung banda, nag-play na dito 2 months ago. So, ako, first time again after 10 years. We have a lovely crowd tonight. Hello. Erwin is our our female. I was gonna say female.
Please vote for me.
Our
As a
male
Prime Minister.
singer.
Prime Minister.
Alright, guys. Don't go back. Almost set to go. Don't go too far. Grab a drink, grab a mountains, and look at that. For so much more. We're right back. Alright, let's hear it one more time. Come on, everybody. Everybody sing YMCA. Everyone say. Come on, say. Young man, beat your bill down. Young man, and yourself on one more time. YMCA. It's time to say it now. YMCA. Young man, just beat your bill down.
Woohoo! That's it for tonight. At yung adrenaline ko napakataas pa. Woo! 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 Party! Party! At syempre, ang mga kuya, nagliligpit pa. Tingnan natin. Ayan, 12:30 na ng umaga. Tingnan nyo. Tapos na ang party. Sunday na ng umaga dito. 12:30. Ba, meron pa pala dito. Ito po nagdi-DJ, ay nagsasayaw pa sa DJ, oh. Yan, ayun yung soundman namin. Ang galing niya. Alright. Koy, did you enjoy your night?
Very much.
Oh, nasayaw pa si ate, oh. Ayan! So, nasa labas na kami. At tignan nyo, pack up na. Ang mga kuya magsasakay na sa car ng mga gamit. Ayan. Thank you guys for joining ngayong gabi. At sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. At see you on our next. Good night.